Hello! Today we are going to be coloring my sister's hair. Today we are going to be doing baby light balayage around her face and then just gradually fading into the back. And then we're going to tone her natural hair with a ashy color. And that's what we're going to be doing. Oh, and also we're going to be using high lift. And we're going to mix it with a combination of 20 and 30 developer. And then this is the toner we're going to be using.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting, oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong, and instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance.
Now we're gonna put the toner in the back and then the rest of the hair.
Chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back.
We ended up going back through and putting some bleach on the high lift just because it wasn't lifting as much as we wanted. Just so you know. True. That's all I want for summer. This is the end result of her baby lights and toning her dark hair turned out really good. We like it. And that's it for today's video. If you can hear me. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
Why'd you hold your boobs?
When?
It looks like you're holding your boobs.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to